Hi students, today we are going to discuss case study questions from coordinate geometry. First question, in order to conduct sports day activities in your school, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each in a rectangular shaped ground ABCD. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Niharika runs 1/4 distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 distance of AD on 8th line and posts a red flag. Okay, then first question, find the position of green flag. Okay, then we know here 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So we know that this distance is 100 meter. Okay. Then find the position of green flag. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line. This is the position of Niharika. Niharika runs 1/4 distance of AD. So we know that AD, distance of AD, that is 100 meter. Then y coordinate of green flag, that is equal to 1/4 into 100, that is equal to 25. Then x coordinate is equal to, that is 2. So the position of green flag is equal to 225. Okay. 225. So our option A. And this is the position of green flag, that is 225. Then the second question, find the position of red flag. Preet runs 1/5 distance of AD on 8th line and posts a red flag. Okay, and this is the position of red flag. Then y coordinate of red flag is equal to 1/5 of AD, 1/5 into 100, that is equal to 20. Then x coordinate, that is on 8th line, so x is equal to 8. So our coordinate 8, 20. So the coordinate of red flag, that is 8, 20. Okay. So our answer is C. Okay. Then third question, what is the distance between both the flags? So GP is the distance between both the flags, that is root of GP is equal to root of x2 minus x1. 8 minus 2, 6, then square 36 plus 20 minus 25 minus 5, then that is 25. So that is equal to root of 61. So our option C. Okay, then next. Then fourth one, if Resmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Okay, Resmi has to post a blue flag exactly between the line segment joining GP, and this is the place where Resmi post her blue flag. Okay, so this point is R, so we should find the midpoint of GP, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, then y1 plus y2 by 2, that is equal to 2 plus 8, 10 by 2, that is 5, then 25 plus 20 means that is 45, 45 by 2 means that is 22.5. So our option 5, 22.5. Okay, then A. Then next. Then fourth question, if Joey has to post a flag at 1/4 distance from the green flag in the line joining the green and red flags, where should he post his flag? 1/4 distance from the green flag. This is the 1/4 distance from the green flag. Then we can put here J, and this is one part and this is the third part. Okay, So this is in the ratio 1:3. Total part is 4. So and this is one part and this is the third part. We should find the coordinate of j by using section formula mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, then my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, here this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. M is equal to 1 and n is equal to 3. So mx2 means that is 8 plus nx1. x1 means that is 6 divided by m plus n, that is 4. Okay, then my2 means 1 into 20, that is 20, plus ny1 means that is 75 divided by 4. So 14 by 4 and this is 95 by 4. Okay, 14 by 4 means that is 3.5. Then 95 by 4 that is 4 2s are 8, remainder 1 15, then 4 3s are 12, remainder 3 30, then 7 4s are 28, then remainder 2 20, then 23.75. So 3.5 and 23.75. 3.5 and 23.75 answer is not given here. So we can take approximate answer, that is 3.5 and 24. So our option is A. Understood? Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.